Paper was like gold in medieval times.
Oh, not tobacco, sugar.
That everything we thought we knew about the world might turn out to be completely wrong.
So here's a cheeky little full body strength building yoga Pilates practice that will get you really ramped up and make you feel good. So start in a tabletop position and just make sure that you got your breath going. With an inhale, lengthen the spine, round the spine, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Neutral spine now, so just look ahead. Tuck the toes under and then lift your knees off the ground so your shins are parallel. From here, just see if you can keep your core engaged and then just lift one hand off the ground and lower. The other hand and lower, and you're being really mindful to keep your weight as in the middle as possible. And then try a foot, one foot, and then the other foot. Keep breathing. And then opposite hands and feet. Just padding and being really light with your touch. Good. All right, lower the knees. Nice deep breath in. Keep a connection between the ribs to the hip bones. Extend the left arm, the right leg, and reach through the diagonal of your body. Exhale there. Inhale can bring it down. When you exhale, you activate through your core, drawing the navel in and extend the limbs out. Mindful not to arch your back. Inhale, bring it down. Just do a couple more. Inhale, bring it down. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more with your right arm, your left leg. Place the hands down. Now, I really like these. Not everyone does though. So we're just gonna lift a knee out to the side and pulse the knee. I'll show you this side first. So knee comes up and out, and you just go as high as feels good for you. You don't need to go too open. Keep breathing, and then it's a little pulse up and down from here. You've always got the option to make the move into a little kick, and that boosts it a little bit, makes it more challenging. And then bring it down. Let's try the other side. So your knee come up and back down. Stay even with the weight in your hands. So try not to shift too much over to the other side. And then if you extended the leg out to the side, you could do that here, or just pulse up and down, extending the leg. All right, and then from here, let's come into a side plank. Bring your right hand in front of your shoulder and turn to your side. So if you know your wrists don't like this, that's fine. You don't need to miss out. You can just be on your forearms. My wrists are fine, so I'm going to go onto the wrists and reach the legs nice and straight and be on the outside edge of the right foot and raise the left arm, the opposite arm. Reach forward and then hover your top leg and then bend the elbow to the knee. So exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. This is really great for whole body core strengthening, and it's particularly stabilizing for your shoulder girdle. Let's try it on the other side. Come down. You can roll out your wrists if you need. We're going to just bring the left hand ahead of the left shoulder, roll to your side, reach up. And then from here, squeeze your thighs together, activate your glutes, reach forward with your top arm, and then if you've got the balance, you can bring the elbow to the knee and work with your breath. And then bring it so your torso faces down and you're in a plank position. That same pattern you can do in a plank, right? So extend the arm and the leg like you've done before, but in tabletop, and bring the elbow to the knee. The exhale brings it to the middle. So inhale, extend the arm and the leg. Exhale, bring it into the middle. Oh, I'm a little bit wobbly here, but that's okay. Get better with practice, apparently. All right, oh gosh, okay. So yeah, I can feel it starting to work. Let's go to downward facing dog. And that feels super lovely after that plank work. Feels like a holiday. All right, so just breathing smoothly. You're gonna extend the right leg up and back, reach it high behind you. Exhale, bring the knee to the navel, hover it here. Let's just do a couple of those to warm up. Exhale, knee to the navel. Inhale, take it back. Next time, step the foot forward, land on the ball of the foot, reach your arms up. And then exhale, lower the left knee towards the floor so it hovers there. Pubic bone connecting to navel. We can just do a few pulses here with the arms up if you have the balance. And that will just really make your legs super strong. Let's turn to the side and turn the right toes in. You've got a side squat, one side. Take a breath and then just circle the arms back and around. Let's come into the middle, so goddess squat. And take a moment here, get low in the hips. And then turn to your other leg for lunges on this side. Hands to the hips, or you can raise the arms up and just pulse by letting that knee come towards the ground. Not actually touching, but just hovering here. And then into the center, turn the heels in again. Let's go into this goddess squat. Lean the shoulders back over the hips. Lift one heel, then the other heel, and try and stay low. Alternating the heels. You can open up the arms and relax the shoulders back. So with your right heel lifted, you can just pulse a little bit here, and then turn the knee in and out. Oh gosh, and then pulse on the other side, turn the knee in and out. All right, and then straighten the legs. Turn the heels in, wide leg forward bend, just to release after that. So we'll make our way down to the mat. So come and lie down. And we'll just from here, bring the feet a little bit far apart and lift up the hips. So the knees are turned out, so are the toes. Lift the hips all the way up, turn the knees out, then halfway in, halfway down. Up with the hips, out with the knees, halfway in with the knees, halfway down with the hips. So in a way, when you move smoothly, you feel like you're making an upside down L shape between your hips and knees. And you can make the movement really smooth, and you can keep breathing. And you'll really feel your glutes and the hamstrings work. Right, lower the hips. From here, press the torso into the ground so that you can comfortably lift both feet off the ground. 90-degree bend between the hips, the knees and the feet. Lift your torso, look along the belly, and then we'll just crisscross and reach opposite arm across the thighs. Inhale in the middle, exhale to twist. And there we go. Hug the knees into the chest, and you can rock up to seated, and that should set you up for the day. Hopefully you feel a lot of your strength building there.